Are you using Pinterest as your traffic source and struggling to get your pins to rank high? Hi, this is Khadi from Khadi's Marketing. Thank you for joining my channel. Today we're going to discuss Pinterest SEO. If this is a topic that you are interested in, please stick with me until the end of this video and also be on the lookout for a bonus checklist. So let's just get to it. I have 6 hacks that I would like us to go through. The first hack: how does Pinterest work? Pinterest works similar as any search engine, like Google as an example. It uses a search index capability. What does that even mean? This is basically a method to categorize data or your content in an easily manageable, searchable format. This will help any viewers searching your content to be easily retrievable. Now that we understand how does Pinterest work, let's go to the next hack. How to find the best keywords. Why do we even need keywords? These keywords will assist Pinterest to organize and categorize your content so that they can be retrieved easily. I will go through the options that will assist you to optimize your keywords. First option, go to your feed, select the search icon, type in the keyword that you want to search for. I have typed affiliate marketing, so let's just use this for illustration purposes. You will see that Pinterest will return auto suggestions, right? So it shows that these are the most keywords that viewers and audience, when they come to Pinterest, they are searching for. The second option, you can see once you've selected affiliate marketing, these are some of the keywords that will also be shown here in the colorful pills or bubbles that will help you to identify what keywords viewers are searching for. It also shows you affiliate marketing. It will be for beginners, affiliate marketing strategies. So these are short keywords. Right at the back, you can see that viewers are searching using short keywords. It's not like YouTube, where you can use your long tail keywords. So this is something that you also need to bear in mind. So make sure that you also use similar keyword, and don't be scared to compete with the existing competing keywords, right? It's not like YouTube, where you have to be a long-standing content creator, where your domain must exist for a long period. So time frame doesn't matter. When it comes to Pinterest, you can also contend with the existing keywords, so the popular keywords. Third option, check the first 20 to 25 pins, the top best that are shown here, and compare it with your pins. By compare, I'm not saying take exactly and apply it to your pins. No, just copy the way that they have structured their text. Check the colors that they have used, the images that they've used. So basically, just check for guidelines and apply it to your pins. Please don't copy and apply it exactly as it is. That won't be right? So you also need to be creative. Just get ideas from the existing top 25 pins and apply it to your pins, and so that you can also optimize and improve your SEO. The fourth option, that is using the native Pinterest trend tool. We are now on the trend tool. So how you get this, you go to analytics, right? And you go to trends. Then it will bring out this screen. So will show you the insight for your content, right? For your keyword. So let's just use the same word again. Affiliate marketing. and it will show you, okay, this is the trend, and you can compare it with another one. You can use affiliate. Let's take affiliate marketing for beginners. So we can see that affiliate marketing, as you can see, in a blue color, and the other one in green is affiliate marketing for beginners. You can see that affiliate marketing is the one that is trending, right? This is another way of comparing your keywords and using the best keywords. Number 3, how to optimize your board. So I'll just cover just few elements to this. Firstly, make sure that your board name is similar to your title, right? So this will help the Pinterest algorithm to categorize your content accordingly. And secondly, Pinterest does not give you an option to add a description when adding your board. It only gives you an option to only add the board name. Our suggestion is add your board name, select create. Once your board is created, then what you need to do, you need to come back to your board and edit it. In an edit mode, you will have your board name and make sure that you add the description, right? And then you will save it. That's another hack. So for optimizing your board, make sure that your keyword from your title and your board, they have similar main focus keywords, and also add your board description. Is how to optimize your pin. So when you optimize your pin, the following you need to take note of, right? Is make sure that your keyword research shown here in the board name is the same as your title, right? For an example, affiliate marketing strategies, you can even see here under titles 7 best affiliate marketing, which is the affiliate marketing, under the board name is the keyword. And also make sure the title field has a limit of 100 characters. Description field has a limit of 500 characters. Also, consider the mobile users, because there's a limitation in terms of the screen size, right? So if you have a bulky title here, they won't be able to see the main content. Make sure that your keyword research is part of the prefix, meaning that it's part of the first text, because from mobile users, the first 30 characters get shown on the screen and the rest won't be shown. Make sure that you show your main keyword focus, it's shown in the beginning. The next element, URL. What is this all about? This is the destination that you send your viewers to say, for this content that you are currently looking at, this for you to get more information, this is the destination. The destination can be in a form of a website, a blog. It can also be a YouTube video, right? So that the viewer will be able to get the information that is talking to the pin content that you just showed your audience. So in short, what I'm trying to say is make sure that your pin content relates to your destination. It won't make sense that your pin is talking about affiliate marketing strategies and your destination is sending your viewers to a household DIY. Clearly we can see there's a mismatch, right? Make sure that they are related. That's one element. Okay, cool. So you've added a nice and enticing image. You've made sure that your board name in terms of the keyword research, the keyword research is similar to your title, and Also make sure that the keyword research also is shown inside your description, right? Like how I did it here. Make sure that, so basically your keyword must show in your descriptions for both name, pin description, also title, and your tags. That's very important. And your pin content matches your destination, and you are happy, right? Now you need to save your pins. When you save your pins, make sure that you save it to the relevant board. So what do I mean by that? So you have a pin that says 7 best affiliate marketing programs, and now you cannot save it under baking recipe. That doesn't even make sense. Make sure that your pin is saved to the most relevant board. And another important aspect, save your pin best link to your account, to your profile. Prioritize your account. If you have group boards, make sure that you start with your account first, then you can save it in the group boards. That this will help the Pinterest to prioritize your account, and it will help with your algorithm, and so that your content can be pushed first, not the group board. And designing your pins, you can use Canva, right? Which is a great designing and graphics tool. I'm using this tool and it's so awesome. You can also use this tool, or you can use another tool. The next hack number 5, how to schedule your pins. This option mainly is for people who have a quite hectic life. Like for me, I have a 9-to-5 job and I'm also doing other things, so it sometimes get hectic, right? So this capability helps me to make sure that my content is out there, and my viewers also have sight of my content. We have 3 options on how to do this. You can use the native Pinterest tool here. Instead of selecting publish immediately, so this for illustration purposes, right? Obviously you will write the proper title, and you also match your title with your keyword research. You will also match with your board name. So I've already captured the relevant information, and instead of saying publish immediately, you will say publish at a later stage, right? Here you need to select the date and the time. Advice here is please select the time frame where your viewers are active, right? Where your viewers are not asleep, because Pinterest immediately when you publish your pin, it will first share it to your followers. Option number 2, you can use Canva to schedule your pins. What is nice about it is you go here, you say share, and you will see that Pinterest is integrated with Canva, right? I've already linked my Pinterest account, but before you go any further, please note that this tool, the scheduling tool, is only available to premium users. That means the paid plan. I do not have a paid plan, so I won't be able to show you guys. As much as I love Canva, but there's a downside to it. Canva won't be able to schedule multiple pins at the same time. It can only schedule one pin, right? But how do we mitigate that? You can use Tailwind. I won't go through Tailwind right now. We'll look at it at a later stage. But for now, you can use Tailwind. I'm going to do a small video as to how you can use Tailwind and schedule multiple pins. So this tool, you can use it to schedule multiple pins at a different time frame and a different date. Now we are happy. We are done with our pin. We've saved it to our board. We've scheduled it. What is left now? We can go to hack number 6, the last hack. Please make sure that you use these new creative tools that Pinterest will introduce normally, right? Right now, what is new within Pinterest is idea pins. So what is idea pin? I won't go through creating an idea pin. I'll have a separate video and you link to this one, and you can just check it out. So but idea pin works similar to stories, right, like on YouTube. So basically this is just a short video, don't go overboard. And at the end of your video or your slides, your viewers will have an option to follow you. So this will assist you to increase your followers. Suggest that, especially if you're starting up, this is a great way of creating your pins, because Pinterest normally they push the new capabilities or tools that they've introduced. So from a Pinterest algorithm point of view, it will make sense that you create your pins using this new tool called idea pins. Pin, you can go under create, and this is the option. You select idea pin and you capture the information. I've already done that just for illustration purposes again. And what I like about this, it also has like a search tag option here, which will give you suggestions. So this is about logo. We can say logo design trend, and can just select it, right, which is perfect. So guys, this is the video that I have for you on how to optimize Pinterest. If you feel like this has added value, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'm looking forward to more videos on how to make money online, and also how we can work together and learn together, right? And also create more content concerning Pinterest. But for now, thanks guys, and have a wonderful day.